Hi guys, this is the rules for balancing any account. So if you follow these rules, you cannot go wrong when balancing any account. So I've given you a dummy account here called the buildings account. We have numbers on the left and we have the debit side, when we have numbers on the right, the credit side. So the first thing we do, we add up both sides. So rough working, I'm just going to put the answer here. If I added up the left, so the debit side, I would get 300,000. If I added up the right hand side, there's only one number, the credit side would be 25,000. Whichever is bigger goes below on both sides. So I'd miss a line to give yourself space, and the big number, in this case 300,000, goes on both sides. Okay, that's rule 2. The difference between the two goes above the small side, call it balance carried down, and below the big side, call it balance brought down. So I can see these are easy enough numbers. I can do it in my head. The difference is 275,000. Okay, that's just rough working there. So this is clearly the debit side is the big side, the credit side is the small side. So above here, above this here, goes the difference. So balance carried down, and that will be 275,000. And that's normally the last day of the year, 31st of the 12th, let's call it 2020. And it goes below the big side, this is the big side. So again, date would probably be the 1st of the 1st, 2021. You call it balance brought down, and again 275,000. So what we have there, at the beginning of 2020 the balance was 200,000. Going into 2021 the balance is 275,000. And that's how you balance any account. Follow those rules and you cannot go wrong. Any assets, the balance will be on the debit side. Liabilities, the balance will be on the credit side. Expenses, the balance will be on the debit side. Gains, the balance will be on the credit side. But if you follow these rules exactly like they're written there, you cannot go wrong.